The American soul singer Billy Paul has died at the age of 81. He was best known for his 1972 hit Me and Mrs. Jones, which won a Grammy Award and reached #1 in the U.S. A statement on his website said he died on Sunday of a serious medical condition. The NME Music magazine has reported that this was pancreatic cancer. Mr. Paul, who was born as Paul Williams in Philadelphia, helped shape the course of modern R&B music. In his youth, he performed alongside music legends including Charlie Parker and Nina Simone. His biggest hit Me and Mrs. Jones, about an extramarital affair, has been covered by artists including Michael Bublé and Hall & Oates. In 2003, Mr. Paul won a $500,000, then £250,534, lawsuit for royalties owed for it from 1994 to 2002 by Assorted Music. The company said it was an accounting issue and not a case of trying to cheat anyone out of money. Mr. Paul is survived by his wife, Blanche Williams. Initial reports, subsequently corrected, put his age at time of death as 80.